Hi friends, welcome to Keto Diet Daily. Today's video is a delicious compilation of my top 5 most loved high-protein keto recipes, perfect for anyone looking to build muscle, stay full longer, and still enjoy low-carb meals. These recipes are not just healthy, they're super easy to make, full of protein, and totally keto approved. Whether you're on a busy schedule or just want more protein-packed options, these dishes have you covered. So grab a notepad, try them out, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite recipe from the list. I always love hearing from you. Let's jump right in and fuel up with flavor. Recipe number 1, grilled chicken with avocado. A protein-packed favorite that's juicy, fresh, and ultra-satisfying. Ingredients: 2 boneless chicken breasts, 1 ripe avocado, sliced, 1 TBSP olive oil, 1/2 TSP garlic powder, 1/2 TSP paprika, salt and pepper to taste, fresh lemon juice. Instructions: preheat grill or skillet over medium-high heat. Rub chicken with olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Grill for 5 to 6 minutes per side until cooked through. Slice avocado and drizzle with lemon juice. Serve grilled chicken topped with avocado slices. Tip: add a side of leafy greens or drizzle with keto-friendly ranch. Recipe number 2, steak and broccoli. A classic low-carb powerhouse with bold flavors and simple prep. Ingredients: 200 grams flank or sirloin steak, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 TBSP butter, 1 TSP soy sauce or coconut aminos, 1/4 TSP black pepper, 1/2 TSP onion powder. Instructions: steam broccoli until tender. In a skillet, melt butter and sear steak 3 to 4 minutes per side. Slice steak and toss with broccoli, soy sauce, and spices. Tip: you can swap steak with grilled tofu for a vegetarian version. Recipe number 3, tuna egg salad. Quick, creamy, and full of protein, ready in under 10 minutes. Ingredients: 1 can tuna in olive oil, drained, 2 boiled eggs, chopped, 2 TBSP mayo, 0.1 TSP Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste. Optional: chopped celery or pickles. Instructions: combine tuna, chopped eggs, mayo, and mustard in a bowl. Mix well and season to taste. Serve in lettuce cups or with keto crackers. Variation: add a sprinkle of paprika or chopped chives on top. Recipe number 4, turkey egg skillet, your new favorite high-protein breakfast or dinner combo. Ingredients: 100 grams ground turkey, 2 eggs, 1 TBSP olive oil, 1/4 TSP chili flakes, salt and pepper to taste. Optional: diced tomatoes or cheese. Instructions: heat olive oil in a skillet. Cook turkey until brown. Push meat to the side and crack eggs into the pan. Cook until eggs are done to your liking. Mix together and serve hot. Tip: top with shredded cheddar or a dollop of sour cream. Recipe number 5, shrimp garlic bowl. Fast, fancy, and full of flavor, perfect for lunch or dinner. Ingredients: 200 grams shrimp, peeled and divined, 1 TBSP olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 TBSP lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup riced cauliflower. Instructions: heat olive oil in skillet, add garlic and shrimp. Cook 2 to 3 minutes per side until shrimp is pink and cooked through. Drizzle with lemon juice and serve over cauliflower rice. Variation: add chopped parsley or red pepper flakes for extra flavor. My friends, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these high-protein keto recipes, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Keto Diet Daily for more quick low-carb meals that taste amazing. Don't forget to drop a comment and tell me which recipe you'll be trying first or what you'd love to see next. Share this with your keto buddies and fuel your day the smart way. Stay happy, healthy, and keto strong.